Hey, government students, how's it going? Just to let you know, we're going to be doing a little preview video from now until when I come back from my absence. So again, I'm going to be gone next Tuesday through Friday. So we're just going to do a little preview here today and Monday as far as what that's going to be like. So no matter who you have for a sub, doesn't matter, you can still get your stuff done and do what you need to do. So thank you for the class captains that we're going to be having that are going to be kind of taking us through this preview video and helping us out with the warm-up and any technology needs that we may have throughout the course of class. So hopefully that class captain has either gotten this warm-up up through these slides that are posted on It's Learning, or you can go ahead and hit pause right now and give everybody a couple of minutes and then talk about this warm-up. Okay, so hopefully you had a chance to be able to talk about this warm-up and called on a few people for each question. Just to give you a little preview as far as what we're going to be doing, we're going to be evaluating the degree that the executive branch is a policy-making institution, specifically within this lens of the COVID pandemic. So we're going to be getting into some executive orders that both former President Trump and President Biden issued related to the COVID pandemic, and specifically related to what the prompt is going to be for our summative. So first and foremost, you're going to be kind of breaking down that prompt a little bit as far as creating a step-by-step so you guys know exactly what you're going to be needing to do for that summative. So that's part one. And then for part two, we are going to be going into a review from your assignment that you already had related to executive orders. So we're going to be pulling up your copy of 3-5, which was the assignment that we had related to executive orders. And then finally, we are going to be doing a little bit of work around this website that's called the Federal Register that gets into all of the executive orders that each president has issued throughout history. But for this assignment, we're just mainly going to be focusing on President Biden's current executive orders as well as former President Trump, because they were the only ones that were around during the COVID pandemic. So, but yeah, other than that, if we have time, we're also going to be going into a couple current events articles related to these executive orders. So that'll also be something that we can get to hopefully today. All right, guys, thank you very much. I'm looking forward to working with you on this, and happy Halloween, and hopefully you guys got some great costumes out there too. All right, take care, guys.